Meow. Okay, hi, it's Penny Bowden here, and I'm doing this laying down kitty. Probably a bit of Siamese in this cat. And we're at 3 times the speed here, 2.5 times. Just get the swing of those arms hanging down there. Try to keep them flowing as one continuous motion. Just measuring and correcting as I go. Never official measuring, just kind of eyeballing it, making sure it looks good. There's that other paw coming through there. It adjusts the length and size of that paw a bit on that one. And we'll fiddle with the ears a bit. I'm liking it so far. It's kind of a cool pose. Just splayed out and relaxing. And on this kitty, that nose is way far down because of the downturned head. It's a suggestion of where that leg comes from. Really paying close attention to angles and shapes. And slowing down here a bit to get the eyes in the right place, and I kind of messed that one up. That one's still a bit messy, but we'll fix it up a bit later. It's a work in progress. Just correcting the angle on that mouth. Get rid of some of that extra so we can see what we're doing here. I love to hear from you. Please drop me a comment. Let me know about your cats. Let me know about yourself. What country do you live in? I love to hear from you. What do you want to learn about cat drawing? Just darken up the lines that I like. Allow the extra ones to kind of fade away into background. Background tone and movement. Little toe beans in there. I love drawings where toe beans are showing. They're so cute. We're going to go really fast here quick. Finish this drawing up. Give it all those little tweaks it needs. We'll give Kitty a pillow to lay on because I kind of like that better. I think this cat might actually be pregnant. I think it's a pregnant feral cat. So we're going to make this pregnant mama a little more comfy because hopefully she's in a foster home now where she's going to be able to have her kittens safely and everyone will get good homes. She's definitely got a big belly there. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.